Tom has seen this bird fly 1,000 times, but never like this. Never free, never wild. He has found them. I lost a parrot like you years ago. I've searched ever since.
Sure.
He has not been alone this whole time, he realizes. And now he has the parrot too.
Tom walks along the path, the parrot his guide. They are not exploring the jungle, they are living in it. Tom is home.
See the veins, the stem, the tiny hairs? Now, the flower. Not for eating. Tom has seen this bird fly 1,000 times, but never like this. Never free, never wild. He has found them. He was not alone. There was someone else, long ago, who loved a bird as he loved his. Tom stands at the edge of the platform watching the sun rise. He realizes he cannot leave. The jungle is his home now.
Chirp.
Each morning, the light is different, the colors new. He has found his home.
Never seen so many orchids! This scent is incredible! Let's draw them, Jerry. We'll come back.
They are neighbors, friends, family.
The second young monkey hesitates, then slips. Tom exhales. The family is safe. He is home. Tom draws the toucans alive and close. The toucan inspects his art, a moment of pure connection. This is why he came.
He has found his bird. He has found his home.
He is home. He has always been home.
The rain has washed away the dust, the heat, the weight of the days before. The adventure is waiting.
We made it, Tom!
Caw, the world is ours!
Our home, forever.
Home, how?
The Kapok Stone. Our first treasure. Our home.
Tom captures the monkey's swing, so alive. Jerry offers fruit, and a bond is formed. A moment of understanding, a memory to keep. He has watched this sunset 100 times. Each time, it is different. He will watch it every day for the rest of his life. Jerry, my old friend, and my parrot.
We're home, Tom.
Yes, we're together.
Chirp, chirp. Tweet, tweet.
Here's the toucan they saw, its beak bright against the green. Here's the jaguar cub playing in the clearing. And Tom is grateful, so grateful.
He is grateful for the journey. He thinks of the photograph in his pocket of the friends he found, and he is grateful.
They will see new things, find new places, make new memories. But not today. Today, they go home. He has watched this sunrise 100 times, and each time it is different. He has found his home. He has found his bird. He has found his friend. He has found his home, and he is grateful, so grateful.